Hello, welcome back to Fighting 50. Today's video is how to train your hair to not be greasy. And also tips on how to get your hair thick and strong. And if you want to grow it out and make it long, how to grow it out so that it's thick all the way and your ends aren't straggly. So I want to give you a little bit of background on my hair. So my hair, I've always had my hair long since I was young. My hair has always been, I've always grown it out and let it be long. My hair is naturally on the curlier side, very wavy and curly. The more I washed my hair, the greasier it got and the more difficult it was to maintain my hair. So I started to train my hair to not get greasy by washing it less. So here are the tips that I could give you on how to train your hair so that you could wash it less and spend less time taking care of your hair and have healthier, stronger, more thicker hair. Normally I wash my hair probably every 2 weeks. Yeah, I would say the norm for me is every 2 weeks. So like twice a month, I'll wash my hair. Now, I didn't wash my hair for 1 full month because I wanted to see how long it would take before my hair actually became greasy. And now you could see here, it became greasy. This is 30 days without washing my hair. After 20 days, I was getting like pretty anxious and I felt like I can't do this. Like I wanted to wash it and I was getting like frustrated, but it wasn't even greasy yet. So at 15 days is usually when I would wash it. But at 20 days, it wasn't greasy, but I was like freaking out like, okay, I need to wash my hair. I need to wash my hair. It's grossing me out. But my hair was not getting greasy. So I was like, okay, this is weird. It's not even getting greasy. And then I would say about 25 days is when it started to get a little bit greasy. And then from 25 days to 30 days, then it got greasier and greasier. And it's like this now. So here are my tips to train your hair to not be oily, to grow it out long and thick and healthy. First off, I would tell you that you can't just go from 0 to 100 at once. You have to do it gradually. What I suggest is if you normally wash your hair every single day, then you start washing your hair every other day. And then after, a week or whatever, wash it every 2 days and then every 3 days until you work your way up to once a week. If you normally wash your hair every 3 days, then push it out to every 5 days. And that's how you're going to begin. And at the beginning, your hair is going to get greasy and gross because it's not used to it. It's used to it being stripped of the oil and hurrying up and creating more oil. So you've trained your hair to do that, and you're going to reverse that, and you're going to train it to not be oily and create all this oil. So it takes time. It's not a quick fix. Just like everything in life, you can't fix something overnight. So what you do is you go training your hair to do that. Now, here are also another few tips that you are going to do. When you wash your hair, make sure that you wash it with your shampoo, you rinse it out, and then you rinse it out completely. You get all the shampoo out, and then you do it again. You wash your hair really well again and rinse it out. And then if you're going to put conditioner, you only put it from the base of your head down. If you have very short hair, don't put conditioner. If your hair is like this long, literally just put it at the tips of your hair. Like just go like this and put it at the tips. Don't put it all over your hair. If you put it on your scalp, guaranteed it's not going to work. You're not going to be able to train your hair to not be greasy. It just isn't going to work. So that's just a fact. My next tip would be make sure you use a good shampoo. I use Pudora shampoo, and this is the only conditioner that I use on my hair. This is a leave-in conditioner, so I don't use a conditioner in the shower at all. This conditioner is literally amazing. Look at the packaging. Isn't that insane? Isn't that just like, it smells so good. The first ingredient in here is aloe vera. So that's going to tell you something right there. This is like so good. It's not even pricey. It's not, that's the crazy part. It's pure amazing ingredients that aren't even pricey. Insane. This company is just like, to me, is like so amazing. Because as you know from my other videos, I use their product on my hair, my face, everything. So anyway, this is a leave-in conditioner. I use a little tiny bit, and I have a lot of hair, and I only put it here. You put it in when your hair is completely washed, and your towel dry it, and then you put a little tiny bit. I only put it a little bit here. That's it for my split ends and to keep my hair strong. So before I shampoo my hair, I use the Pudora 100% rose hip seed oil. I use a little bit of this. I massage it into my scalp for like 2 minutes, all over my entire scalp. And then I leave it, I leave it in there, let it penetrate before I wash my hair. That helps with dandruff and making your hair strong. So then I just wash my hair out and use a little bit of the conditioner. Now, in between shampoos, I don't have to use this because I've trained my hair, but maybe you will need it for the first few months, is a dry shampoo. This is the one I recommend. It's it's really good. It works. It doesn't leave your hair flaky or like some dry sprays will leave your hair looking like it's filled with dandruff. That one doesn't do it, so it's a good option if you need a dry shampoo. I also recommend highly that you brush your hair in the morning a lot, like a few minutes, brush it through, and at night before you go to bed, brush your hair. I know that this sounds like an old wives' tale, or like, oh, that's just like something my mother would say, but it actually stimulates your scalp and it makes your hair grow thicker. So that is what happened when I left my hair unwashed for an entire month. It did get greasy, but those are my tips on how to grow long, thick, strong hair. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And please, please, please subscribe. It makes me so happy when you guys subscribe. Let me know the kind of videos you want to see in the comments down below. Tell me if it worked, if this helped you at all. And I will see you soon. Bye. God bless.